All right, what I'm going to do today is show you how to update your Mychon. I got a Mychon 5, so what we need to do is turn it on. I'm going to show you to go through the menus of how to turn on the Wi-Fi and check your version. And you could write down your version, or you could just wait till you open up the software, and you can compare it once you open up the software. So you got to turn it on. And then we want to exit. We're not worried about GPS right now. You're going to go to menu. You want to go to the wrench. Hit enter. Hit enter. Now you want to go down to version. Hit enter. And the version on this one is 1.30.32. And the new version is 1.32.08. So this one needs to be updated. So you go to exit, exit. Now you need to make sure the Wi-Fi is on. So you scroll over to the Wi-Fi symbol right here. Come on, there we go. Oop. Hit enter. The Wi-Fi is on. Now your SSID number is the number you need to click on once you open up the software to connect to this, because you're going to have to connect to this Mychon once you get there. So we're going to go to exit, exit, and then we're going to turn it off, because we don't want the program to try to connect to it until you verify that you have downloaded all the software or the firmware for the update. All right, so you need Race Studio 3. It's over here. You're going to open it up once you download it. Now this is on the Windows. I don't know if on Mac's the same way, but I'm going to show you on the Windows. So what you got to do is, once the program opens, you got all this other stuff over here. You don't need to worry about none of this at the moment. Well, for any of this update, you don't need to worry about it. What you got to do is come over here to the right, top right. You're going to see the little cloud with an arrow over here. You want to click on that. Now it's going to go through, and it's going to tell you everything that you can update, all the Mychon stuff you can update. So what you got to do is click here, and then click it again. So it unchecks all of it. Now, you want to make sure your software is always updated. So you got on the web, downloaded. If these two match, that means this is on your computer, and most likely your software is up to date. All right, so just to be sure, you click on this one, and then you're going to find your model Mychon. There's 3 of them. The one I'm updating today is a Mychon 5. So I'm going to click on that one, and I update other people's Mychons. So I'm going to click on this one, because if you look, I only have this one that's on the web and nothing downloaded for this version. So I'm going to click on this one. And where's the other one? And I'm going to click on this Mychon 5S. Now once you have those clicked, see this one says on the web and what's on my computer. So I upgraded somebody's 5 before, and now it needs to be updated. There's a newer version because I downloaded the old one, if you can see here. So, and then you're going to click right here, download updates. You're going to click on it. And they're going to go green, and they're going to download everything. If you scroll back up, I need to scroll up. So it's downloading that one. It's downloading that one. Now, it should tell you that I'm matching here. I'm matching here, and I'm matching here, and then I scroll down to this 5S. Now I'm matching with the 5S. So this is all I worry about when I'm updating people's Mychons. None of this other stuff matters to me. It might matter to them, but I don't know what none of this does, so I don't worry about it. It's this one, and this one. It's the only things you need to make sure that your software is up to date. Okay, now that you have downloaded all of your software, you just unclick. If this needed to be updated, it would ask you to update your program. So I just updated my program before I started this video. Okay, so you can unclick all of this. No need to download anything else. All right, so how do you connect to your Mychon? All right, I showed you earlier how to turn everything on. So you go back into your Mychon, you're going to turn it on. Now verify this and make sure you have a good charge on your battery. This one's at 94%. So you're gonna go back to menu. I'll just run through these again so you can see it done again. Go to wrench. Go enter. Go to version. Enter. All right, I got 1.30.32, and this is a Mychon5. So you come back to your software, find your Mychon5, and the latest version of Mychon is 1.32.08. So this one, as you can tell, needs to be updated. So exit. Oh, don't exit. Exit. Now, like I said, I'll just run through this again. You want to come over here and you want to hit enter and make sure that Wi-Fi is on. Don't worry about any of the other stuff. It doesn't matter. And then your 045062. Now, to connect to your Mychon's on. You come up here to the top right and you click here. And right here at the very top is going to be the Mychon. And you got to make sure that this 045062 matches what's on here. And it should if it's the only Mychon you have on. Now, if I had all my Mychons on, they would all be listed right here. So you have to know which one. And that's why if you're updating it to track, a lot of people will have their Wi-Fi on. So when you open this up, there'll be a big list of Mychons in here. So you need to know which one you're updating. Make sure this number matches this number right here at the end from dash whatever. So now you're going to connect, and then you're going to see the Mychon. It's going to go through, do some stuff. You'll see this Mychon pop up over here, right there. So you click on it, open up Mychon. Oh, you don't click on it. It's blue. It's there. Sorry about that. So you come over here to update device. Now it's going to tell you that this Mychon needs the new update. So all you gotta do is click on it. It's going to go green. It's going to start running its line across there. Now here in a second, once that green line is done, this #1 light will start flashing red. As long as it's flashing red, it's updated. So don't turn it off. Just let it do what it needs to do. And it'll turn itself off and it'll reboot back in. So there goes the red light. And if you look back here, no device connected. If you can see that, if it's not blurred out. And the software on your computer is done. Let me get this up here. There it goes. It's going to flash, flash, flash. And it's just rebooted. It's coming back on. Hit exit. All right. Go to menu. Go to the wrench. You want to check your version and make sure it actually worked, that it updated. All right. Go to version. Now, if you look in the background, it reconnected to the Mychon. All right. Go to the version. You hit enter. And now, if you remember, your version over here is 1.32.08, 1.32.08. So this Mychon is up to date. So you just hit exit, 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 and turn it off. Nope, you gotta hit exit again. Once you're back on the screen, you can turn it off. And you're done. That's it. And just, all right. So once you're done there, you can set the Mychon down. If you got others, you can update it. Now, let me tell you one more thing. Turn it back on. Before you exit out, what you need to do is hit exit, go back into menu, and go to the Wi-Fi and turn it off. Don't have Wi-Fi on it to track. There's no need for it. So you're going to click right here. It's going to click change, auto, turn it off. Now your Mychon's off. You hit exit, or hit the Wi-Fi's off. Hit exit, come back, and hit off. Well, exit, press and hold for off. Then you're done. Now, if you look over here, there's no devices. It's not finding it. My computer kind of slow. Let's see if it'll reconnect back in, which it should. Connect. Exit back out. Now this is going to reconnect. All right. Now you see the blue cloud with the 3 dots. It means this is connected back to the internet. And now it's running back through and telling you that, hey, there's new ones out there. But like I said, I don't worry about anything except for the Mychon5S. And then you got the Mychon5S version 2. and then you have the Mychon5, and then the actual software itself. That's the only ones I'll worry about. I don't know what none of this other stuff does. I'm pretty sure it's some other Mychon stuff. But as you can tell, it's that simple. You need a Windows computer or Mac. I'm not sure how Mac works, but this was done on a Windows. And you need the Racer Studio 3. I got the 64-bit, and right here it tells you the version up here too. So 3.65.05 this matches here. So that'll let you know that your software is up to date too, from right here to right here. You just verify right there. So there you go. Hope it helps, and hope you update your Mychon. Peace out.